Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Day 25 of Ramadan. Subhanallah, we already have 24 days. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from all of us, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive our shortcomings. The 25th name that we chose for Ramadan, and there is about more than 50 names for Ramadan, is Shahr Salah, is the month of prayers. And prayers is literally loosely translated because prayers in the English language means dua, supplication. But for salah, there is no real word to translate other than prayers. So Shahr Ramadan is the month of prayer. And one of the landmarks of Ramadan is actually salah. And we all, alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, it is heartwarming that I hear it, especially at the time of the COVID. And one of the blessings, if we are looking for blessings with COVID, is that people felt more comfortable praying at homes. The man of the family is leading in Taraweeh. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. This is really good, and this is really, again, heartwarming, and may Allah reward us all. So definitely one of the landmarks of Ramadan is Shahr Salah. But what we want to talk about or explain more is not the number of the salahs we are doing or what name we are giving to the salah we are doing. In fact, what we want to look at and what Ramadan need to teach us and practice is what kind of a salah I am doing. And the verse of Surah Al-Ankabut that we put it on the planner, أُتْلُ مَا أُوحِيَ إِلَيْكَ مِنَ الْكِتَابِ وَأَقِمِ الصَّلَاةِ إِنَّ الصَّلَاةَ تَنْهَى عَنِ الْفَحْشَاءِ وَالْمُنكَرِ وَلَذِكْرُ اللَّهِ أَكْبَرُ وَاللَّهُ يَعْلَمُ مَا تَصْنَعُونَ. Recite, this is in Surah Al-Ankabut, the spider. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling the Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, recite, أُتْلُ مَا أُوحِيَ إِلَيْكَ مِنَ الْكِتَابِ. What has been revealed to you, recite it. وَأَقِمِ الصَّلَاةِ. Perform salah, stand up in salah. Inna salata, verily salah, tanha, prevent, push away, al-fahsha'i wal-munkar. Al-fahsha'i wal-munkar, everything that is rejected and immorality. وَلَذِكْرُ اللَّهِ أَكْبَرُ, and remembering Allah is more greater. وَاللَّهُ يَعْلَمُ مَا تَصْنَعُونَ, and Allah knows what you are doing. What I want to comment here, or what I want to stress here is وَأَقِمِ الصَّلَاةِ. Perform salah. What does iqamatu salah mean? Honestly, is it just saying Allahu Akbar and standing and then we did our salah and we are done, or it has another meaning? And the scholars, when they commented on this verse, commented on aqim salah, they said iqamatu salah, meaning I'm going to do it on time. I am going to perfect and perform when I am reading, meaning I am going to read with understanding, longer, take my time. I'm going to aqim salah, perform my salah and my ruku', when I go down in my ruku', in my sujood, when I sit, I take my time, I feel it, I try to bring to my heart that I am in fact talking to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah is seeing me in my salah. This is very easily said, but how do I practice it? How do I leave Ramadan? And I definitely have noticed that my salah has changed. Something in it has changed. I am more loving to perform salah. I am spending more time. I'm enjoying it more. I leave salah, I am better. And one of the righteous people was asked about how do you get to the khushu', to really feeling salah and focus on salah. And that's what he said. And his name is Hatam al-Asam. He said, كيف تخشع في صلاتك? He said, how do you perform salah with khushu'? And he said, when I want to pray, and I heard the call for the salah, I get up and perform my wudu'. And then I come to my musalla, to the place where I pray, whether it's in the masjid or in the home. And I say Allahu Akbar, and I mean it. I mean Allah is greater than anything else in my life. And then I read with tartil, slowly with focus. And I go for ruku', and I am full of humbleness. And I go to sujood, and I feel that I am at the lowest point. And I make my shahada, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, and I am in full certainty that there is no God but Allah. And I sit with complete serenity. Now, this what will help you and me, inshallah. And I imagine when I am in my salah, going to my salah during my salah, how to bring my khushu'. I imagine Jannah is on my right hand. The hellfire is on my left hand. The death angel, or the angel of death, is behind me. As-sirat, the thin hair-like path that we all gonna go on, is under my feet. And I look down and I see the hellfire on my left and the Jannah on my right. If I want to try to practice this, bring it to myself every day, 5 times a day is perfect, at least once a day, in these days of Ramadan. Not only the numbers, not only Taraweeh, not only Salah on time, but I want to work on the quality of my Salah. I want Ramadan to leave and have definitely taught me and changed my Salah. Again, think of it. I'm going to repeat it again. As I am going to my Salah, I say Allahu Akbar. I mean it. I mean that Allah is greater than every thought I am thinking, every problem I have, everything that distracts me from Him. Then when I read slowly. When I go for ruku', I go with humbleness. When I go for sujood, I feel I'm the closest to Allah. I sit and I take my time. And then I try to imagine Jannah, the paradise, on my left side, hellfire on my left side. I am walking on the sirat, and the angel of death is behind me, meaning this is my last salah. One of the very good points to help us in improving the quality of our salah is that we imagine this is the last salah we will perform. I always remind myself that how about if this was the last one? I am going to die in this salah. And number 2, really help us if we try to bring, even for a second, the thought that Allah is watching me. He's seeing my salah. And then how will I perform it? And I know my salah is improving when I changed after salah. And it really helps me to stay away from what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not like. Ya Allah, Ya Kareem, Ya Hayyu, Ya Qayyum, make the salah قرة عين لنا. Make the salah the coolness of my eyes. Ya Rabbi, Ameen.